Let's divide 438 by 2. Hey math adventurers, ready to tackle some division? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun math challenges. Alright, let's start dividing 438 by 2. We'll begin with the first digit, which is 4. We're using the digit 4 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder here. You got it, that's how we handle the first digit. Now let's bring down the next digit 3 to join our remainder. Next up, we have the digit 3. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 3. We're working with the digit 3 this time. 2 fits into 3 just one time. Let's multiply 1 times 2 is 2, so we write down 2. Subtracting 3 minus 2 gives us a remainder of 1. You're doing great, we're almost there. Time to bring down the last digit 8 to make a new number with our remainder 1. Last step, we now have the number 18. How many times does 2 go into 18? We're using the digits 1 and 8 to make 18. 2 fits into 18 exactly 9 times. Check our work, 9 times 2 is 18, exactly right. Subtract 18 minus 18 and we get 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you absolutely crushed that step. And that's all the digits. We've successfully divided 438 by 2. Our answer is 219. We found that 438 divided by 2 is 219. Great job, everyone! We've successfully divided 438 by 2. Remember, long division is just a series of steps and you can master it with practice. Awesome work today. Keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.